Hi children, good morning. Today we are going to learn pairs of angles. Yesterday we learned types of angles, acute angle, obtuse angle, reflex angle, like that. Now pairs of angles. What are the pairs of angles? Now first one, complementary angle, means the pair of angles sum is 90. Then those are called complementary angles. Now what is the first one? Complementary angle. Pair of angles sum is 90. Pair of angles sum is 90 degree. Complementary angle means what? Pair of angles sum is 90 degree. Suppose one is 30 degree, 60 degree. Then those two are called 90. 30 plus 60 is equal to 90. Then what is the complementary angle of 62? Means 38 degree. 90 minus 62, 38 degree. Now, 28 degree. Now, like that, we have to find out the other complementary angle of given angle. Suppose 30 degree, then 60 degree, 60 degree, 30 degree, 50 degree, 40 degree, 45 degree, 45 degree. Now, if the two complementary angles are equal, then those two angles are, each angle is 45 degree. Now, a pair of angles sum is 90, we called those are complementary angle. Next, supplementary angle. Next one. Supplementary angles means pair of angles sum is 180. If the pair of angles sum is 180, then those two angles we call supplementary to each other. Now, pair of angles sum is 180. What is supplementary angle? Pair of angles sum is 180. Suppose 60 degree, 120 degree. Then we call these are supplementary angles. Now 60 plus 120 is equal to 180. Then we called supplementary. Next one, conjugate angles. What is the meaning of conjugate angles? Conjugate angles means sum is 360 degree, means complete angle. Now, conjugate. Pair of angles is 360. Pair of angles is 360. Example, 60, 300. Then it is 60 plus 300 is equal to 360. Now, called conjugate angles. Conjugate angles means what? Pair of angles is 360. Next, adjacent angles. What are the adjacent angles? If two angles have common arm and common vertex, those two angles are called adjacent angles. Adjacent angles means what? Common arm, common vertex. See, suppose here one line, then I divided into two parts. Now, this is the x angle, this is the y angle. Now, x angle formed by A, B, C, O. Now, x angle formed by two rays OA and OC. Angle x formed by rays OA, OC. And y angle formed by OC, OB. Then which is the ray common? OC ray is common. Then one arm is common. Both the angles OC is common for both the angles X and Y. Then we can say OC is a common arm. Then O is a common vertex. Then these two are adjacent angles. Now adjacent angle means what? Common arm, common vertex. If two angles having same common arm and common vertex, those two angles we will call adjacent angles. Now the non-arms on either side of the common arm. Non-common arms are on either side of the common arm. Now what is the adjacent angle? The pair of angles which has common arm and common vertex, those angles we call the adjacent angles. Now example, here angle AOC x degree, BOC y degree. Now here angle AOC is formed by OA ray, OC ray. Then angle BOC, OC ray, OB ray. Here both the angles are common, arm is OC and common vertex O. Then both the angles will form at O. Then we can say those two angles are adjacent. Adjacent angles means common arm and common vertex. If two pair of angles have common arm and common vertex, those are called adjacent angles. Next, linear pair. What is the meaning of linear pair? Pair of adjacent angles, sum is 180. Pair of adjacent angles, sum is 180. Then those two adjacent angles we call linear pair. Now example 110, 70. These two are called linear pair. Linear pair means what? Pair of adjacent angles, sum is 180. What is the difference between supplementary and linear pair? Supplementary also sum is 180, but linear pair also 180. But what is the difference between supplementary and linear pair? See, supplementary angle means two different angles. Sum is 180. But linear pair is two adjacent angles, sum is 180. Means linear pair we can say supplementary angles. But supplementary angles never linear pair. Because supplementary angles are different angle sum. But linear pair is sum of two adjacent angles. Sum of adjacent angles is 180, we can say that is linear pair. Now, a supplementary angle means what? Pair of angles, any pair. Different pairs, then individual angles also. 110, 70, 150, 30. These are all called supplementary. But linear pair we can say supplementary. But supplementary never become linear pair. Next one, angles in intersecting lines. Angles in intersecting lines. Sixth one, angles in intersecting lines. Now suppose AB and CD are intersecting at O. AB, CD are intersecting at O. AB line, CD lines. How many angles will form? 4 angles will form. Those are called vertical angles. What we call vertical angles. Now 4 angles will form. 4 angles. What are those 4 angles? AOC, COB, BOD, DOA. Angle AOC, COB, BOD, DOA. BOD. Now these are the 4 angles formed in that when two lines will intersect. Angles in intersecting lines. Now these 4 we call vertical angles. What we call vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. In this intersection lines, vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. What are those vertical opposite angles? Now, in this, vertically opposite angles are equal. Suppose angle AOC opposite to which angle? DOB. Then both are equal. Angle AOC is equal to DOB because vertically opposite angles are equal. One more pair what? AOD. Angle AOD is equal to COB. Then total 4 angles how much? 360. Then total 4 angles how much? 360. Now AOC is equal to DOB and COB is equal to AOD. Now when the two lines will intersect, 4 angles will form what we call vertical angles or vertically opposite angles. Those vertically opposite angles are equal. That means 2 pairs of vertically opposite angles will form. Those are AOD equal to COB. Then AOC equal to DOB. Now exercise 2. See, exercise 2, 4 problems are homework. How to do, I will explain now. In the given figure, 3 lines A, B, C, D, E, F intersecting at O. Find the values of x, y, z. It is being given by x is to y is to z is equal to 2 is to 3 is to 5. Now see, here 3 lines are intersecting at O. Then opposite, vertical opposite angles are equal. Now x opposite will become x, y opposite y, z opposite z. Then total angle in at point is 360. Means x plus y plus z plus x plus y plus z is equal to 360. As per that, with the ratio you have to find out the x, y, z angles. Next, find the value of x in the following figures. Now here, first we have to find out which angle they given. First one, adjacent angles, linear pair. First one, linear pair. Second one, total angle means complete angle is 360. Here linear pair is 180 means 3x plus 18 plus 93 is equal to 180 as per linear pair. Here 296 plus 29 plus x minus 24 is equal to 360 as per complete angle. Third one, 2 plus 3x is equal to 62. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Fourth one, 40 plus 6x plus 2 is equal to 90 degree because right angle. Now as per, first you have to find out which angle that. Then with the help of those clues you have to find out the x value. Next, in the figure lines A, B, C, D intersect at O. Angle AOC plus BOE 70. BOD 40. Find BOE and reflex COE. Here, what is the figure he given? Now what he given? This is 40. Now these two lines are intersecting. These two lines are intersecting. Automatically this is also 40. Now angle AOC BOE 70. Angle AOC plus BOE 70. Now angle AOC plus BOE 70. Now this is 30 degree. Because AOC, angle AOC plus BOE is equal to 70. Now angle AOC how much? 40. You can substitute 40 instead of AOC plus BOE is equal to 70. BOE is equal to 70 minus 40, 30. You can. Now what we have to find out? Find BOE. BOE how much we got? 30 degree. Then COE. Then total angle on the line is 180. Now this is x suppose. 40 plus x plus 30 is equal to 180. Then find out the x. Then reflex of COE means minus 360. If you do, you will get the reflex angle. Next. In the given figure, line XY and MN intersect at O. POY is equal to 90. A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3. Find C. Now here POY is equal to 90 degree. Then automatically POX also 90. Because on the straight line 180 degree. Then half angle is 90. Then POX and POD are perpendicularly bisector. Then POD 90 means POX also 90. That means A plus B is equal to 90. Now A is to B, 2 is to 3. Then you have to find out A and B. Next C. C means B plus C is equal to 180. Because NOX, XOM both are adjacent angles. Now C plus B is equal to 180. If you substitute B angle, you will get the C value. Now what is that? First you have to find out A and B. Then A plus B how many degree? 90 degree. Then with the help of ratio you can find out A and B. Next step what? B plus C is equal to 180. Then instead of B you substitute that B value, then you will get the C. Then first 4 problems are homework.